you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and in today's video I have created this chic look for you guys. And we are back to matte eye looks, and if you guys know me then you know that matte eye looks are my absolute favorite. They look seamless but they require a lot of blending of different colors for it to look like a smooth gradient. Add or omit as per your preference and this will be a totally different look. You guys can dial down this look by pairing it with a nude lipstick. And that's what makeup is all about. Everyone has a unique style of doing it and at the end all of it looks perfect. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. So without wasting any more time, let's dig right in. I have prepped my skin very well and I have let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we'll move on to the primer, and for priming I'm gonna use this Perfect Skin Lift. I'm taking about this much amount and then I apply it all over my face. Till the time the primer is resting on my face, we will move on to the eyeshadows. I have primed my lid with a concealer and set it with a loose finishing powder, and for my shadows I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. To start off, I'm gonna use this shade Eden to warm up my lid. Basically, this will be my transition shade and I'm using a large blending brush to apply this. Then I'm gonna take this shade Blazing. This shade is slightly darker than the transition shade and I'm applying it at my crease. So I'm gonna blend this with the transition shade. Also, I'm building up the intensity by taking more color. Then I'm going to take this shade Saffron and I'm going to place it only at the outer corners, blending it with my crease. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend out the edges. Next I'm going to take this shade Oud. I'm applying this dark shade with the help of a pencil brush and I will be applying it only at my outer corners to create some depth. For my foundation, I'm using this Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation. I've taken about 1 to 1.5 pump of it and I'm gonna dot it all over my face. And to blend it, I'm gonna use my damp beauty sponge. This is a full coverage foundation and it blends in beautifully. They have a lot of shades available, so do check them out. Blend the foundation gently on your face using only dabbing motions. For my concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and around my lips. This is a beautiful full coverage concealer, guys, and I have talked about my top 3 concealer recommendations on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, guys, where I have made a couple of recommendation videos. Here is my handle and I will also leave the link in my description so that you guys can check it out. To set the base, I'm going to use this Makeup Studio translucent powder and I'm going to dab it all over my face with the help of damp beauty sponge. I am applying a very thin layer. For my brows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Eyebrow Definer. As usual, I'm first going to brush my brows with the help of a spoolie. Then frame my brows and lastly, I'm going to fill them in. I have explained all the application techniques in my previous video, so do check out that video for more details. For doing my liner, I'm going to use this Colossal Bold Liner from Maybelline. Time to smoke out the lower lash line, and for that I will be using the same colors which I have used on my lid. So first I'm using the shade Blazing with the help of a pencil brush and apply it very close to my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take the shade Saffron and smoke it out further. coat my lashes with a mascara, and for that I'm using my favorite and the usual one, that is the Colossal Mascara from Maybelline. Also, I'm gonna apply false lashes from Henna Beauty. For bronzing my face, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. And I'm gonna use this Duo Fiber large brush for a softer finish and no visible lines. For my blush, I'm using the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Everything's Rosy. I'm gonna put a disclaimer here, guys. This is heavily pigmented and you have to be really very careful when you are applying this on your cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm using this Pack Baked highlighter in the variant BK02, and I will be applying it at all my usual places. For my lips, I'm using this Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lipstick. And we are at the last step, that's the makeup fixer, and for that I'm using this Pack Micro Finish makeup fixer, and I will be spritzing it all over my face. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and learned something new from it. And if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave your makeup suggestions in my comments. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.